Hello everyone, welcome back to my 3D CAD tutorials. First of all, I am thankful to all my YouTube subscribers. If you not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and to get the latest design updates. So here I want to explain you how we can model this 3D model. So there are so many methods we can use during modeling. So it may be sometimes it's the easiest method, sometimes we will go with the practical approach. If you go with the practical approach, we have to take the entire solid block and we have to machine the required features. And second thing, you can take two pieces and you can just join with welding and you can remove the material where you require. So while modeling, what we will do, usually we will draw a L shape. We will draw a L shape and we will just extrude, and then we will remove the metal here and here. So this is what we will do while modeling. Sometimes it requires to create a model and then remove the material. That time extrude is a first feature and removing this material is second feature, and this is a third, and this will maybe fourth feature. So this is a very simple model I am going to demonstrate. So here select the right plane, all dimension I am just assuming. So what I will do, I will select this one, okay, and then okay. So what I will do, I will select equal, then I will say this will be. So what I want to say, instead of giving every time from the take any references or from a single point, try to give the dimension. It's better to control all the dimensions. So 100. So what I will say, this one and this one are equal. So then what I will do, I will give this one as 25 millimeters. So here, even though you are having, so why I have drawn like this means, usually what we will say, the sketch should not intersect with each other. That time we are not able to extrude, but in this case, so you can take extrude, and here it will ask you to select contours. I want to show this one, that's why I drawn this one. So that time you can select this one contour, you require this contour, this contour. So sometimes you can remove, if you don't want, you can deselect the contour also. So by using multi-body options also you can do. In the later stages I will explain. So utilize the mid-plane option, because why I want to I'm telling use mid-plane means in the later stages if you want to mirror some features, it will be very much useful. And I am taking this one as 100 mm length, or you can take 150 mm length. So 150 mm length. So after this, so then just select this and draw a sketch. Just draw a sketch. So here also you can draw a sketch from this plane or this plane, you can extrude, or this plane also you can do from top, front and side also. Suppose you have taken this one, so I am just assuming this will be some 50 by 50. So what I will do now, I am giving a connection, so this will be equal. So that time it is the 50 by 50. Suppose if I increase 75, obviously this will also increase. So after this, what I will do, I will say extrude cut. So then say okay. So now the picture came. New feature is you can rightly you can copy, otherwise you can say Ctrl C and select this plane, say Ctrl V. So it will show the error. So because it's due to references are missing, it's saying dangle is gone. Okay, dangle, no issue. Continue. Okay, it came here. So now the thing is, you have to go to sketch and give the references. To give the references. Why means, so edit, so first collapse this one and edit sketch. So now usually this point I have connected with this corner, so I will just select this one. You can just select this one and you can delete, otherwise you can select this one and you can delete somewhere here itself, and you can just drag. If you want to drag this corner or you want to move this corner, you can move. Otherwise, if you want to make that one symmetric, draw a line, center line. So just drag and drop this edge to here, and after this just center anywhere. So if you move this one also, so suppose if you want here, so right click here, select midpoint, select this one, and you can coincide. So like this also you can do sometimes. If you want, right click here itself, select midpoint, hold control, then right click, okay, here hold shift, select midpoint, okay, select midpoint, okay, done, okay, select midpoint, coincide. So you can do like that also, but for our, when we are having lot of lines like this, is highly difficult to select the mid point. So I will request you to draw a center line which will be centered to the profile. So this will, you can align and you just okay. So like this also you can do. Suppose if you want to change now, I will go to the second case, just delete this one, say yes, delete everything. I am deleting the sketch also. So I want to change, I don't want cut in this face, so I want cut in this face. So what I will do, I will right click and go to edit plane and just select, delete this one and select this face and say okay. So here the sketch took the relation with this corner and it is transferred the feature from here to here. So if you don't want that over there, so if you want to move that one, see here it is taken the relation, just delete this one, drag and drop to this corner. So this is how we can. So sometimes we are not able, if it's a very simple profile you can draw, but if it's having a lot of contours and different dimensions, maybe if you're having a T shape, L shape or a different shapes, it's difficult to draw V shape, sometimes angle is missing, so it's better to move to the other planes if you require. So what I will do, I will drag and drop. You can just hold control and drag and drop. So dangle, continue, okay. So like this you can drag and drop, otherwise you can change plane. So this is how you can do modeling. Okay, I think you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Why I am asking again, please subscribe to my channel, because I will get motivation, because so if there is a viewers, I can do something better. That's my concern. Okay, anyhow, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.